How to make money with affiliate marketing. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. Affiliate marketing is the process by which an affiliate earns a commission for marketing another person's or company's products. The affiliate simply searches for a product they enjoy, then promotes that product and earns a piece of the profit from each sale they make. The sales are tracked via affiliate links from one website to another. Affiliate marketing is a great way to drive sales and generate significant online revenue. Extremely beneficial to both brands and affiliate marketers, the new push toward less traditional marketing tactics has certainly paid off. In fact, affiliate marketing spend in the United States increased from $5.4 billion in 2017 to $8.2 billion in 2022, which means there's plenty of room for those looking to get a piece of the pie. Seller and product creators. The seller, whether a solo entrepreneur or large enterprise, is a vendor, merchant, product creator or retailer with a product to market. The product can be a physical object, like household goods, or a service, like makeup tutorials. Also known as the brand, the seller does not need to be actively involved in the marketing, but they may also be the advertiser and profit from the revenue sharing associated with affiliate marketing. For example, the seller could be an e-commerce merchant that started a dropshipping business and wants to reach a new audience by paying affiliate sites to promote their products. Or the seller could be a SaaS company that leverages affiliates to help sell their marketing software. The affiliate or publisher. Also known as a publisher, the affiliate can be either an individual or a company that markets the seller's product in an appealing way to potential consumers. In other words, the affiliate promotes the product to persuade consumers that it is valuable or beneficial to them and convince them to purchase the product. If the consumer does end up buying the product, the affiliate receives a portion of the revenue made. Affiliates often have a very specific audience to whom they market, generally adhering to that audience's interests. This creates a defined niche or personal brand that helps the affiliate attract consumers who will be most likely to act on the promotion. The consumer. Of course, for the affiliate system to work, there needs to be sales, and the consumer or customer is the one who makes them happen. The affiliate will market the product service to consumers through the necessary channels, whether it be social media, a blog or a YouTube video. And if the consumer deems the product as valuable or beneficial to them, then they can follow the affiliate link and check out on the merchant's website. If the customer does purchase the item, then the affiliate receives a portion of the revenue made according to the Federal Trade Commission. An affiliate marketer must clearly and conspicuously disclose their relationship to the retailer, thus allowing the consumer to decide how much weight to give your endorsement. Types of affiliate marketing. It's often unclear whether an affiliate marketer has actually used the product they're promoting or if they're simply in it for the money. Sometimes it may not matter to the customer one way or the other. But other times, such as with diet services or skincare products, the customer may not trust an affiliate unless they know that he/she has tested and approved the product themselves. In 2009, renowned affiliate marketer Pat Flynn categorized affiliate marketing into 3 types: unattached, related and involved, to help differentiate between affiliate marketers who are closely tied to a product versus those who are not. Related. A happy medium between unattached and involved. Related affiliate marketing is for those who don't necessarily use the product or service, but who are somehow related to the niche audience. These affiliates often have some sort of influence in the niche and an established following, and can therefore offer some authority. For example, perhaps you're promoting a clothing brand you've never used before, but you have an audience through a fashion blog or YouTube channel. Involved. As the name suggests, involved affiliate marketing describes those who are closely tied to the product or service they're promoting. The affiliate has tried the product themselves, trusts that it will provide a good experience and has the authority to make claims about its use. Rather than relying on pays per click, involved affiliate marketers use their personal experiences with the product in their marketing efforts, and customers can trust them as reliable sources of information. Of course, this type of affiliate marketing requires more legwork and time to build credibility, but it will likely result in greater payoffs down the road. Passive income. While any regular job requires you to be at work to make money, Affiliate marketing offers you the ability to make money while you sleep. By investing an initial amount of time into a campaign, you will see continuous returns on that time as consumers purchase the product over the following days and weeks. You receive money for your work long after you've finished it. Even when you're not in front of your computer, your marketing skills will be earning you a steady flow of income. Work from home. If you're someone who hates going to the office, affiliate marketing is the perfect solution. You'll be able to launch campaigns and receive revenue from the products that sellers create while working from the comfort of your own home. This is a job you can do without ever getting out of your pajamas. Cost effective. Most businesses require upfront startup fees as well as a cash flow to finance the products being sold. However, affiliate marketing can be done at a low cost, meaning you can get started quickly and without much hassle. There are no unexpected fees to worry about and no need to create a product. Beginning this line of work is relatively straightforward. Performance-based rewards. With other jobs, you could work an 80-hour week and still earn the same salary. The good thing about affiliate marketing is that it is purely based on your performance. You'll get from it what you put into it. Honing your reviewing skills and writing engaging campaigns will translate to direct improvements in your revenue. You'll finally get paid for the outstanding work you do. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.